I had trouble getting the SEESTAR S50 going at the beginning. Couldn't find any tutorials that looked like what I was seeing on the screen or acting like what I was seeing on the screen. So I eventually followed this method, and that was to start the app. So you tap on the first screen, home screen, and then tap on Connect. Select your S50 and tap on Connect again. Select the open LAN settings, tap on your S50, select Connect only this time, then the screen would freeze up. So I'd select the three bars at the bottom, no more prompts. And I select Close All, then select the SEESTAR app again, and now it should run like the many other tutorials that I saw. You can set the compass and the level and all that from other apps, but that's how I found to get it going.